What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro. These are 5 credit app alternatives to like Self or Credit Strong. Let's see. So Self works slightly different than any other lenders. With Self, you're getting your loan to you right away. I'm talking about credit building loans, but they are still considered primary trade lines that I have talked about before. So maybe I'll make a video on each one separately. But today I want to pile them all together so you guys can go over it. If you want to look into it more, I will put the link to this article below in the video description. So Self product is very innovative and helpful. I have used Self before. They have a payment system from $25, $35, $48, or $150. I did the $25 twice before. Now I'm with Credit Strong as well. You do get that money back at the end of the term. So they make money off of that by putting that in something like a CD, but you can cancel anytime. And let's see, they report to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, which means your credit score can go up. Each credit bureau is different, so you don't know exactly how much your credit score goes up. They all are different, so you can look at your credit score every month to determine how much it goes up. Everyone's is different, like I said. Number one is Possible Finance. Possible offers payday loan alternatives. Sorry about that. And installment loans. You can apply for this right on our Possible app. So they have an app for that. These loans not only have very competitive APR, but they are also easier to pay off than any other lenders. If you're struggling to make payments on one of these loans, you can extend your payment up to 29 days with this app. So that's awesome. Let's see. I'm looking at the APR now. Can't really tell on here. Overall, at Possible, offer a credit bureau loan product that is very accessible and convenient. You guys can check that out yourself. Possible app. It's a Possible app. Number two, you've probably heard of Moneyline. Moneyline is a helpful app that provides provides a variety of financial services than Mint. So Mint is another good one. I believe Mint is on this list as well. Along with their banking services, Moneyline offers cash advances as well. Be careful with cash advance. They can be really, really high on APR. In terms of credit building, Moneyline offers credit building loans themselves. With Moneyline, you can get a credit builder loan of up to $1,000 if approved. So they can help your credit as well. Make sure you pay on time. Matter of fact, make sure you pay more than what the minimum is. Get that over with. While Moneyline does offer many good services, including credit building loans, paying an extra $240 a year really hurts. So you guys think about that. Possible is the best option. There's absolutely no membership fee to get access to their loans. So think about that. You can compare these loans and primary builders, credit bureaus, builders. You guys write it down. Compare what you need to do to help build your credit up. Credit.com is a holistic app and web platform that allows you to manage and take care of many aspects of your credit and personal finances. I want to jump back into Moneyline right quick. I looked up Moneyline reviews because I always look up reviews when I'm dealing with a service, and they have some great reviews. To be honest with you, they have great reviews from different consumers. So Credit.com is provided by Experian and can get one of these reports every 14 days. That's cool right there. They are provided by Experian. In terms of building credit, Credit.com does not directly offer services, but they do make recommendations for companies. So that's something to think about. Let's see, Lockbox. I believe I said that correctly. You guys Please don't jump on me. Logbox, Loqbox, is a British company that has a very creative way to build your credit score. Wow. With Logbox, you are both saving and building your credit at the same time. Woo! It's all about credit, baby, in this world today, which is awesome. Lockbox then opens a loan account that stores your money. That sounds something like Self or Credit Strong. So, but you know what I always say? Finish one primary trade line. If you're doing something like that, get another one on your credit, because all of that positive history will help your score in the long run. Trust me. I know, because I have many positive trade lines on my credit score. About 10 years ago, I did file bankruptcy. I didn't know much about credit, and that bankruptcy did hurt me. But financially, I had to. It was just too much piling up. I'll talk about that more later, guys, because I was going through hell. Trust me. Single dad, child support, had to work 3 jobs, all of that, bad credit. So that's why I have dived into credit like the Matrix, baby. I love credit. I love seeing my credit score go up. I love adding positive things to my credit reports. It's awesome. After 12 months of making your payments, Lockbox releases your sum of money to you. They will then add it into your bank account for free, but will cost you 30 British pounds, or roughly $40, to have Logbox put the money into a bank account of your choosing. So you guys can read more on Lockbox whenever you have time. Mint is a app developer that offers many of the same services as Creditcom, but at its core, it's a budgeting app. Mint is a company that is owned by Intuit, which is owned by TurboTax. Quicken Loans. So you guys already heard of them before. I know you have. Many of these loan recommendations are common in the industry, from between $1,000 and $100,000. Like Credit.com recommendation, they are sponsored by the company that is being recommended. So this is not a sponsorship video. I would have said that in the beginning. Okay, so guys, look. With Self, you can get a credit builder loan, but one that does not allow you to access your loan funds until your loan is paid off. So these are similar to Self, and I believe Kickoff has something where you have like a digital credit card, but that's totally different from a loan. I know that I believe Credit Strong has a loan type of service as well as you pay every month and you get that money back. So whatever it is, whoever you go with, just make sure you pay on time, pay more than if you can, pay more than what it's the monthly fee. Get your money back, build your credit up every single month. It takes time. It won't happen overnight. You can do it. Trust me. I know if I did it, anyone can do it. I'm going to put these services in the video description. You guys, see you next time. Please comment below. Thank you for being here.